Despite times being hard, you have taken the initiative to try and find a way to make money. So I'm going to try and help you out with that by giving you 13 ways to make money right now. Let's do it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel and this little community of financial independence advocates. My name is Matthew, and today I'm giving you 13 different ways to make money, especially if you're in lockdown. Of these 13, we're gonna start with the 7 that I've successfully made money from before, so you know they work. First off is this right here, YouTube. And before you say,
Matt, this takes so long. Matt, you need all these fancy cameras and lighting.
let me be the first to tell you that no, it doesn't, and no, you don't. I was able to get this channel right here monetized in 36 days of starting it. And I'm not saying this to brag, I'm saying it to prove that this is possible. And my number one piece of advice, I'll just give it to you right now. Study the YouTube algorithm. And I can give you more tips on how to grow quickly on YouTube, but that is its own video. So if you want that video, comment down below and subscribe so you don't miss it. Now, before we move on to the other 12 methods, let's talk about really quickly why YouTube is a good place to make money. It's the number 2 search engine in the world, with 5 billion videos being viewed every day. My small channel has been able to produce over $100 in less than a week. And if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to. These videos have millions of views, and for all we know, they could have been made by Elon Musk's baby. And to prove you don't need a lot to get started, my most viewed video, which brought me the most subscribers, left a lot to be desired in terms of background, lighting, sound, etc. So just get started. Number 2, sell other people's stuff. Did he say other people's? This one's easy. In the dead of night, you quietly sneak into someone's house, and then boom! Okay, obviously not. Sell your own things first on sites like Facebook, eBay, Mercari, or Craigslist, and then once you get the hang of it and you've made those connections, take it one step further by offering friends and family to sell their unwanted things and just ask for maybe a small percentage of the sale. This is something I've done many times before, selling things of my own and for other people, and it can definitely be very lucrative. But the one thing I was never able to figure out is who is Craig and why are we using his list? Number 3, DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, etc. Personally, I've been a DoorDasher on and off for over a year now, and I have never seen such insane delivery bonuses. But as they say, high risk, high reward. Because in these jobs, you will be exposed to the elements of the Rona and that thing we once used to know as the sun. Remember when we had to worry about sunburns during the summer? But these jobs can be some of the most lucrative side hustles out there. If you want to see my video on how I made $36 an hour door dashing and my top 7 tips on how to do it more efficiently, there'll be a link for that in the description below. But don't leave yet, because we still have 10 more money-making moves to get through, people. Now, this last one has brought me in the most money by far, and I don't share it with a lot of people, but I figured it's probably time. And that is smashing that like button. If you didn't like that one, I'm sorry, but liking this video really does help this get pushed out to more people who are looking for ways to make money. So by liking this video, you could very well be helping someone else. The actual 4th method is stock market investing. Now, I'm sure many of you have already thought about getting into the market right now, but especially during these conditions, you have to be careful. Believe it or not, many stocks are actually historically overvalued right now, and many stock analysts whose entire job is to understand the stock market are baffled by the market's recent movements. But this could be a good time to start learning about investing and preparing yourself for future opportunities. The stock market can present some pretty incredible opportunities, especially after market crashes. So always do your own research, learning, and due diligence. And lucky for you, I happen to know a channel that does free, thorough due diligence and explains investing strategies. What are the odds? Number 5 is freelancing. The gig economy has been on a steady rise as of late, even before all this madness began to happen. You can easily get involved on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Again, those will be linked down below with everything else I mentioned in this video. Now, I haven't personally worked with these 2 sites before or any freelancing sites, but I have done freelancing jobs as an event photographer. That's my skill, and you need to find yours. An easy way to do that is to ask yourself, what were you or what are you getting paid to do at your job? Can you market that on a site like Fiverr or Upwork? Or you can kill two birds with one stone. First, pick up a new skill. Second, get paid to do that new skill. What's in demand right now, or what's something that you've wanted to learn? Copywriting, high ticket sales, advertising, web development, graphic design, the list goes on and on. Number 6 is to look for steals. Ooh, this one's fun, guys, because when you find that deal, it feels so good. Pretty much every aspect of the economy has taken a hit lately, and many people are selling their things, likely at a decent discount. So if you can do the right research and find the right deal, you might be able to buy something and flip it for a profit. I personally did this during my brief stint in the shoe game, which is where you find pretty nice shoes and you resell them to someone else for a higher price. It's pretty simple. Buy low, sell high. It's as easy as buying stocks.
Stupid.
It is not. Stocks are not easy. Do your research. Number 7 is open your own online store. Now, many people may find this idea daunting, but you really shouldn't. I'm willing to bet that there are more online stores being open every day than ever before. And that's thanks to platforms like Shopify and Squarespace, which make it really easy to build your own store. And no, this is not another Squarespace sponsored video, but that'd be kind of cool if it was. Now, when it comes to online stores, you can either build a long-term sustainable store where you develop either your own brand, product, or service, or you can do what's called dropshipping, where you find unique, trendy products on sites like AliExpress for an inexpensive price. You then post them to your store, mark up the price, and start marketing. It's called dropshipping because you never actually have to handle any inventory. The customer buys the product through your website directly from the supplier, which in this case would be AliExpress. I've personally done both of these before. I've made one long-term sustainable site for my photography prints, and a dropshipping store where I took advantage of a recent trend. Just a quick note, those Zoom University hoodies are not dropshipping in the traditional sense because I designed the logo and sourced them to a supplier. They're what's called print on demand. Traditional dropshipping products would be more like this at-home workout gear or nail polish, which have been really popular lately because people can't go to gyms and they can't go to salons. So those are the 7 side hustles I've personally made money with, and now we're gonna blow through the next 6 really quick. Number 8 is become a VA. Sticking with the theme of online stores, more and more people are opening online businesses, which means more and more people need VAs, or virtual assistants. As a VA, you have a range of tasks like writing emails, running online stores, making presentations, doing research, etc. You can find employers for VAs on sites like freelancer.com. Number 9, that's 8. Number 9 is online tutoring. As I record this video, students around the globe have been sent back home, which means the demand for online tutors has, boom, gone up. You can get started on sites like these, and as you can see, no one tutored these people on Name Creativity. Number 10, blogging. We're almost there, guys. If you're like me, you thought that blogs were way outdated by now, but I recently realized I'm a dang fool, because they're not. You can either contribute to a blog or write your own blog. As a writer, you can get paid to write articles for other people's blogs. And again, think back to what you are or were paid to do in your job. Can that be of value to someone else's blog? That almost rhymed. You can find jobs on sites like ProBlogger.com or FreelanceWritingGigs.com. You can even start your own blog where it's not unreasonable to expect to earn between $1,000 to $10,000 off your blog per month in passive income depending on your traffic. And blogs, along with YouTube channels, are a fantastic way to complement the last 3 ideas. The first of which is number 9, sell online courses. This is the new wave, with new courses popping up everywhere. And before you say you have nothing to teach, I don't mean to sound like a broken record, but think again, what are you or were you paid to do in your job? You can get paid to teach that to other people. Selling a course is also a great route because it only has a high upfront cost in terms of time and money, and then after that, you can just watch that passive income roll in. You could get started creating your own course on sites like Teachable, Skillshare, Kajabi, and Udemy. Udemy? Umami? And again, having your own blog or YouTube channel is a great way to advertise your course. Number 12, the penultimate side hustle on this list is writing an ebook. You can write your own ebook, whether it's a guide, novel, short story, or anything in between. It's as simple as writing it, putting it up on Amazon, and going live. But I always want to be transparent with you guys, so you should know that there are over 200,000 ebooks currently on Amazon. So it's definitely a competitive space, but if you have something like a blog or a YouTube channel or a sales funnel, it'd be a lot easier. And last but certainly not least, we have affiliates marketing. To explain affiliates marketing in one sentence, you are marketing someone else's product, comma, providing your own unique affiliates link to said product, comma, and if someone uses your link to buy said product, then you get a percentage of the sale. Amazon has a fantastic, widely used program called Amazon Associates, but there are many other ways you can take advantage of this tool as well. Affiliate marketing works best when you have an audience, and even better when that audience comes to you. For example, all those videos about reviews about this product or that product, they have a link in the description to buy the product they're reviewing. I will bet you all my money that those are affiliate links. And these don't just have to be related to YouTube videos, you can put them on blogs. I'm starting a couple online businesses that will have blogs, so that's why they're on the surface of my head right now. So instead of giving you my affiliates link to something, I'm just gonna ask that you gently tap that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications if you found some value in this video. But we're not done yet. There's a special bonus side hustle that I didn't tell you about. Drum roll, please. Investing in yourself. Stop it, it's not cheesy. Seriously, if you're in lockdown, you may never have this much time on your hands ever again. This goes back to our quote of the day. And if lockdown has already passed for you by the time you're watching this video, investing in yourself, gaining knowledge, gaining new skills can only open newer and better opportunities. And if I were given the choice between, say, a lesson from someone who is an expert in sales versus an online shop that will generate me $100 a month, I would genuinely take the lesson over the online store because you have to understand the big picture. In my eyes, these skills in sales will be able to bring me more than $100 a month if I use it the right way. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching to this point in the video. Not only does it really help the channel, but it means a lot that you would spend to choose your time here with me. Now, usually we would end with the quote of the day, but we already did that, so you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, notifications if you enjoyed this video, if you found any value at all. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.